of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Afterlife, tombs, they're protecting them, alright, so they could lead the rest of the nation for the eternity. Okay? So, the pyramids we are going to visit today of a father or a grandfather, father.
Why they made the angle like that? First of all, you have to know this is like a solid building, okay? Only inside some corridors and the burial chamber where the king is supposed to be buried, alright? So, the weight of the stone, if you put it on a flat roof, will collapse, correct? So, into the entrance and over the corridor and the burial chamber, it's built like that, so the pressure of the stone, the weight of it is to the sides, not on the top of it. This entrance is not used for the time being. What they are using to get inside the pyramid is the smaller opening you see down there. It was cut by the treasure seekers who came a long time ago. They robbed everything. Inside the pyramid there is nothing, unfortunately, except a sarcophagus coffin that's cut into two pieces and it has no cover. Okay? People who are interested in energy, they measure the energy here on the pyramid and they found out this is the most energetic place in the whole wide world. Energy is really high. Another question, why the pyramids still in a good condition? They're still there because simply they are high, so the flood doesn't come here. It doesn't rain much in Egypt, so the weather is dry most of the time. This is why it lasted longer. Now, before I let you climb up, and by the way, there is a stair. It's easy, so don't be afraid. Small steps to climb all the way here to the entrance and then come down. You cannot go inside because we didn't get the ticket, alright? But definitely you could climb a little bit. What's supposed to be rough looking like that? Supposed to be smooth, nice. Look at the vein over there, alright? That was supposed to be on electron. It's a metal thing. Gold.
chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.